Welcome back to Live to Garden. Today we're diving into the world of microgreens and exploring 5 delicious ways to cook and incorporate these nutritious greens into your meals. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our culinary adventures. Now let's get cooking. Number 1. Stir-fry microgreens. Our first way to cook microgreens is by making a quick and healthy stir-fry. Start by heating some oil in a pan. Add your choice of protein, like tofu or chicken. Once it's almost cooked, toss in a handful of microgreens. They'll add a burst of color and nutrition. Season with soy sauce or your favorite stir-fry sauce. Voila! You've got a nutritious, flavorful meal in minutes. Number 2. Microgreen pesto. Microgreens can be the star ingredient in a tasty pesto sauce. Grab a bunch of basil microgreens, blend them with some garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. This pesto is fantastic on pasta, sandwiches, or as a dip for veggies. Number 3. Microgreen omelette. For a nutritious breakfast, try adding microgreens to your omelette. Whisk some eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and sprinkle a handful of microgreens on top. Add your favorite fillings like cheese, tomatoes, or mushrooms. Once it's cooked through, fold it over and you've got a flavorful and nutrient-packed morning meal. Number 4. Microgreen smoothie. Yes, you can even add microgreens to your morning smoothie for a healthy kickstart. Take a handful of microgreens, toss them into the blender along with your usual smoothie ingredients like banana, yogurt, and honey. Blend it all together and you'll have a vibrant green smoothie that's packed with vitamins and minerals. Number 5. Microgreen salad. Last but not least, a classic microgreen salad. Gather a mix of microgreens like arugula, kale, and broccoli sprouts. Add some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and your choice of protein. Finish it off with a homemade vinaigrette or your favorite dressing. It's a quick and nutritious salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. There you have it, 5 creative ways to cook with microgreens. These tiny greens can add a burst of flavor and nutrition to your dishes, whether it's in a stir-fry, pesto, omelette, smoothie, or salad. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments on your favorite microgreen recipe. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and push the notification to get the latest videos. Until next time, goodbye.